Book of Heaven, Volume 12, February 2nd, 1921. The third fiat must run together with the other two fiats. These three fiats have one same value and power because they contain the creative power. Continuing in my usual state, I was fusing all of myself in the divine volition and was saying to myself, "My Jesus, I want to love you, and I want so much love as to compensate for the love of all generations which have been and which will be. But who can give me so much love as to be able to love for all? My love, in your will there is the creative strength. Therefore, in your will, I myself want to create so much love as to compensate for and surpass the love of all, and everything that all creatures are obliged to give God as our Creator." But while I was doing this, I said, "How much nonsense I am speaking." And my sweet Jesus, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, indeed, in my will there is the creative strength. From within one single fiat of mine came out billions and billions of stars. From the fiat mihi of my mama, from which redemption had its origin, come out billions and billions of acts of grace which communicate themselves to souls. These acts of grace are more beautiful, more resplendent, more varied than the stars. And while the stars are fixed and do not multiply, the acts of grace multiply to infinity. In each instant they run, they attract creatures, they delight them, they strengthen them, and give them life. Ah, if creatures could see in the supernatural order of grace, they would hear such harmonies, they would see such an enchanting scene as to believe that is their paradise. Now the third fiat too must run together with the other two fiats. It must multiply to infinity, and in each instant it must give as many acts for as many acts of grace as are unleashed from my womb, for as many stars, for as many drops of water, and for as many created things as the fiat of creation unleashed. It must blend with them and say, 'As many acts as you are, so many I do.' These three fiats have one same value and power. You disappear. It is the fiat that acts, and therefore you too can say in my omnipotent fiat, 'I want to create so much love, so many adorations, so many blessings, so much glory to my God as to compensate for everyone and for everything.' Your acts will fill heaven and earth. They will multiply with the acts of creation and redemption and will become one. All this will seem astounding and incredible to some. In that case, they would have put my creative power in doubt. And besides, when it is I who want it and give this power, every doubt ceases. Am I perhaps not free to do whatever I want and to give to whomever I want? You, be attentive. I will be with you. I will overshadow you with my creative strength, and I will accomplish what I want upon you."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.